Hi students, welcome to Sunil's tutorial. I am Sunil Mirwani and today we will be doing the sums of pair of straight line. Let's start. Find the separate equation of the lines represented by x square minus 4xy plus y square is equal to 0. Right? Now, they give you equation of pair of lines is x square minus 4xy plus y square is 0. If I rearrange this equation can be written as y square minus 4xy plus x square is 0. Divide by x square. If I divide by x square, I get y square upon x square minus 4xy upon x square plus x square upon x square is equal to 0. So you will get y upon x the whole square minus 4y upon x plus 1 is 0. This is a quadratic in y upon x. This is a quadratic in y upon x where a is 1, b is minus 4 and c is 1. Therefore, I can use the quadratic equation formula. Y upon x is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. Now if I use this formula, I will get this as minus of minus 4 is 4 plus minus square root of b square 16 minus 4ac 4 into 1 into 1 upon 2a 2 into 1 4 plus minus square root of 16 minus 4 that is 12 upon 2 4 plus minus 4 3s are 12 so 2 root 3 upon 2. So this is going to be 2 common 2 plus minus root 3 upon 2. Therefore, I'll get y upon x is 2 plus minus root 3. If I take x on the other side, I'll get y is equal to 2 plus minus root 3 into x. This is in the form y is equal to mx. But we know that y is equal to mx represents an equation passing through the origin. Therefore, I can say the separate equations are y is equal to 2 plus root 3x and y is equal to 2 minus root 3x. Basic quadratic equation formula, guys. Let's see another sum of this kind, people. Find the separate equations of the lines represented by x square plus 2xy sec a plus y square is equal to 0 sec alpha this is. Okay. Now let's start. Equation of pair of lines is given by the formula x square plus 2xy sec alpha plus y square is 0. Rearrange. So you will get y square plus 2xy sec alpha plus x square is 0. Divide by x square. If I divide by x square, I'll get y square upon x square plus 2 y upon x sec alpha plus 1 is 0. I can say this is a quadratic in y upon x where a is 1, b is 2 sec alpha and c is 1. Therefore, you can use your quadratic equation formula. Y upon x is minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac upon 2a. So this is going to be minus 2 sec alpha plus minus square root of 2 sec alpha the whole square minus 4ac 1 into 1 upon 2a 2 into 1. Now this can be written as minus 2 sec alpha plus minus, I could take 4 common, so this will be square root of 4 common, so in which case I'll get sec square alpha minus 1 upon 2. Square root of 4 is 2, so minus 2 sec alpha plus minus 2. Sec square theta is nothing but 1 plus tan square theta. Therefore, sec square theta minus 1 is nothing but tan square theta. So this will be tan square alpha upon 2. I can take 2 common in the numerator, in which case I'll get minus sec alpha plus minus square root of tan square alpha can be written as tan alpha upon 2. 2 and 2 gets cancelled. Therefore, I'll get y upon x is minus sec alpha plus minus tan alpha. Therefore, you can say y is equal to minus sec alpha plus minus tan alpha into x. This is in the form y is equal to mx, but y is equal to mx represents a pair of represents equation of line passing through the origin. Therefore, I can say that separate equations are y is equal to minus sec alpha plus tan alpha into x and y is equal to minus sec alpha minus tan alpha into x. These are the separate equation of lines represented by that pair of lines equation. Next, let's move on to the next sum, guys. Find the combined equation of a pair of lines through the origin and making equilateral triangle with x is equal to 3. Now let's try to draw this figure first. X-axis, y-axis. Find the combined equation of pair of lines passing through the origin. That means there are two lines that are passing through the origin. This is line L1 and L2 passing through the origin. And making an equilateral triangle with the line x is equal to 3. If the equation of the line is x is equal to 3, that means it is going to be perpendicular to the x-axis. This is going to be my line x is equal to 3. It makes an equilateral triangle, that means all the angles are going to be 60 degree. Right? So your triangle OABC B is an equilateral triangle, right? I can say that triangle OAB is equilateral. Therefore, I can say that OM is perpendicular to AB. OM is going to be perpendicular to AB. Perpendicular from the vertex to the base bisects the vertex angle. That means I can say that angle AOM is equal to angle MOB. But as triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle, therefore angle AOB has to be 60 degree. That means this particular angle AOB has been divided into two parts. This particular angle AOB has been divided into two parts. Therefore, I can say that each part, that is angle AOM, which is equal to angle MOB, is equal to 30 degree. Now, slope of line OA. Slope is given by the formula tan theta. Let's call this slope as M1. So M1, this particular angle is 30 degree clockwise, anti-clockwise. So it will be tan 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. Since OA is a line that passes through the origin, equation of line OA is going to be y is equal to mx. So I'll get y, slope we found out as 1 upon root 3x. So you will get y root 3 is equal to x. Therefore x minus y root 3 is 0. That will be equation of line OA. Similarly, if we look at the figure, this angle will also be 30 degree but clockwise. Therefore I can say that slope of line OB is going to be tan theta, which is, we'll call that as M2, is tan of minus 30 degree. Since the angle is being read clockwise, I'll have to represent it as a negative angle. So M2 will be minus 1 by root 3. Again, OB represents a line passing through the origin. Equation of line passing through the origin is y is equal to mx. Therefore, I can say equation of OB will be y is equal to mx, y is equal to minus 1 upon root 3x. So y root 3 is minus x, x plus y root 3 is 0. We know equation of line OA, we know equation of line OB. Therefore, combined equation of pair of lines will be the product of the two lines. That means, if I multiply the two equations, x minus y root 3 into x plus y root 3 is 0 into 0. I am multiplying the two equations, guys. This is in the form a minus b, a plus b. So this will be a square minus b square is equal to 0. So the combined equation of pair of lines will be x square minus 3y square is 0. Let's move on to the next one, people. Find combined equation of pair of lines through origin, each making angle of 30 degree with the line x plus y is equal to 0. Okay. Now, they give you equation of line is given to you as x plus y is 0. Therefore, slope of the line minus a upon b. So minus 1 upon 1 minus 1. Let y is equal to mx represent one of equation of one of the lines through the origin. Therefore, the slope of this line is going to be m. The slope of previous line was minus 1. Now they give you that the angle between the lines is 30 degree. In 11th standard, you have learnt the formula for angle between lines. Angle between lines is given by the formula tan theta is modulus of m1 minus m2 upon 1 plus m1 m2. In 11th standard straight lines, you have learned this formula. Angle is given to you as 30 degrees, so I can say tan 30 is equal to m minus of minus 1. Slope of one of the line is m, slope of the other line is minus 1 upon 1 plus m into minus 1. Tan 30 is root 3 is modulus of m plus 1 upon 1 minus m. Right? Now, in order to get rid of the modulus sign, I need to square both the sides. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3 people. In order to get rid of the modulus sign, I need to square both the sides. So if I square both the sides, I'll get 1 upon 3 is m plus 1 the whole square, 1 minus m the whole square. 1 upon 3 is m square plus 2m plus 1 upon 1 minus 2m plus m square. This can be written as 1 minus 2m plus m square, 3m square plus 6m plus 3. Take everything on one side. If I take everything on one side, I get 0 is 2m square plus 8m plus 2. Therefore, I can say that m square plus 4m plus 1 is 0. How did I get that, guys? I divided the entire equation by 2. But I can say that y is equal to mx is one of the lines that is passing through them. But one of the lines is represented by the equation y is equal to mx. Therefore, I can say that m is equal to y upon x. That means this value of m should satisfy this equation. I can substitute the value of m in the equation where I will get y upon x the whole square plus 4y upon x plus 1 is equal to 0, in which case you will get y square upon x square plus 4y upon x plus 1 is 0. So you could say that y square plus 4xy plus x square is equal to 0. What did I do here, guys? I took x square as the common denominator and I took LCM. That x square common denominator, I took it on the other side. When it multiplies by 0, you will get the answer 0. Rearranging this, I'll get x square plus 4xy plus y square is 0. This is the equation of pair of lines passing through the origin and making an angle of 30 degree with the line x plus y is 0. Let's move on to the next sum, guys. Find combined equation of pair of lines through the origin such that one is parallel to x plus 2y is equal to 5 and other is perpendicular to 2x minus y plus 3 is 0. Right? Let's see this. Equation of one line is x plus 2y is equal to 5. Therefore, slope of this line is minus a upon b. Therefore, slope of parallel line, because one of the line is parallel to this, so slope of parallel line will also be minus 1 upon 2. If two lines are parallel to each other, their slopes are equal. Therefore, equation of parallel line. Since the parallel line passes through the origin, its equation will be y is equal to mx. So y is equal to minus 1 upon 2x, 2y is equal to minus x, x plus 2y is equal to 0. That will be the equation of the parallel line. Similarly, equation of the other line. Equation of the other line is 2x minus y plus 3 is 0. Right? Slope of this line is minus a upon b. Now the other line is perpendicular. Slope of perpendicular line. Slope of perpendicular line is negative reciprocal. So minus 1 upon 2. Equation of the perpendicular line. The perpendicular line also passes through the origin. Therefore, equation of perpendicular line will be y is equal to mx. Y is equal to minus 1 upon 2x. 2y is equal to minus x. X plus 2y is 0. Therefore, combined equation of pair of lines will be, we found out the equation of two lines. One equation is x plus 2y and the other equation is also x plus 2y is equal to 0. We have multiplied the two equations. So x plus 2y, the whole square is 0. Therefore, x square plus 4xy plus 4y square is 0. That will be the combined equation of pair of lines required. Right? Let's move on to the next sum, guys. Find combined equation of pair of lines through origin and perpendicular to the lines 5x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is 0. Now here they have given you equation of pair of lines is 5x square plus 2xy minus 3y square is 0. Let's find out the separate equation of the lines. Let's solve this quadratic. 5 3s are 15. So this can be written as 5x square plus 5xy minus 3xy minus 3y square is equal to 0. Quadratic equation splitting the middle term. 5x common, x plus y minus 3y common, x plus y is 0. Therefore, I can say that x plus y is equal to 0, therefore y is equal to minus x, or 5x minus 3y is 0, therefore 3y is equal to 5x, y is equal to 5.3. This represents the separate equation of the pair of lines. Y is equal to minus x and y is equal to 5.3x represent separate equations of lines through the origin. Therefore, the slope of these lines, both the lines are lines passing through the origin. Therefore, the equation will be y is equal to mx. So, equation of this line is y is equal to minus x, so m will be minus 1 and m2 will be 5 by 3. Therefore, I can say that these are the slopes of the lines. Therefore, slopes of perpendicular lines can be given by the formula. Slope of the perpendicular line is negative reciprocal, which is 1. Negative reciprocal 1 upon 5 by 3 will be minus 3 by 5. Therefore, I can say equation of perpendicular lines. Since the perpendicular lines are also passing through the origin, equation of the line is y is equal to m1x, y is equal to 1 into x minus y is 0, and y is equal to m2x, y is equal to m2 minus 3 by 5x, 5y is equal to minus 3x, 3x plus 5y is 0. Once I know the separate equation of the perpendicular lines, I can find out the combined equation of perpendicular lines, which is going to be nothing but x minus y into 3x plus 5y is 0. So you will get 3x square plus 5xy minus 3xy minus 5y square is 0. So 3x square plus 2xy minus 5y square is 0. This will be the combined equation of the perpendicular lines. Let's stop here for the day. Thank you very much.